Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Draw Along with Sapana. First of all, thank you so much for liking and subscribing to it. Now, hit the bell icon for notifications of my new videos. And as you all know, the new year is coming up in a few days, right? So today we are going to be doing something for the coming new year. So for that, let's get our supplies ready, which are our papers, our pencils or the black sketch pens, the crayons or the pencil colors, whatever it is that you prefer to use. The basic idea, drawing along with me and completing an artwork by the end of the video. So let's get started.